Hey guys, so this is a video that I've been wanting to do since beaver otter season last year. I'm out here on this man right here's ground, Paul Antczak.
Howdy, howdy.
Also known as Montana Wolf Trapper on YouTube. Anyway, we're out here starting a long line. This is day one of coyote season for Paul. I'm out here, it's a beautiful Tuesday. We're supposed to get a bunch of rain. And knocking on wood, so far it's held off for us. So we've been at it all morning. I think we got 24 sets in the ground already. It's just after 11 o'clock, and so we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna be lazy on this set.
Yeah, Johnny's been helping me quite a bit. I appreciate it. Beautiful, huh? Whoa, look at here, guys. I told Johnny, I said, I trapped this spot last year, or a couple years ago. There's one of my stakes. I caught a coyote right here a couple years ago, one of my drivers. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, the stuff I tried to plant this and grow a stake driver tree, and it didn't work. Flustered here.
Believe it or not, people, we did not stage that.
No. Holy cow.
That's freaking cool.
Yeah, that was from 3 years ago.
Been there a minute.
Yeah. And if you look, man, they did all kinds of work in here and everything since. So
Cleared all this out. They're plotting this out for trying to make it into a good winter range for the wildlife in this area.
I better get my head back in the game.
So this here, what he's putting in, this is what he calls the T-bone set, and they are absolutely deadly. Wax sand. Yep, that is a must in our country. And that right there's pretty much a done set, guys. Come back and bait it up.
Yep. Stir it up now. Is this 20? What are we on?
This will be 25 and 26.
Okay, good. Good deal.
So,
We're gonna try to get to 50 today. We're gonna try.
I think we're gonna do it. Paul was telling me that earlier today we were gonna hit 50. I said we were gonna hit 51 just because. Yeah. And that's with taking time to grab a quick bite to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna. After we get this part of the ranch set up, we'll go home and reload up and then head back out. It'll probably be 4 to 6 more traps up here on this ranch. or just part of it anyways, this part of the ranch. Okay. There we go.
I wanted to show this thing on camera. So, if you ever want to become a canine trapper in the Rocky Mountains, that's what your equipment's going to look like.
Yeah, and that was new last year.
Yeah, it's amazing the abuse that we put our equipment through. So, if you're going to do this, you gotta spend some money on your gear. Definitely buy the most expensive stuff you can afford. See, Paul runs extra long chains on his coyote sets. You see he kept some of it out from underneath the trap there. It's kind of balled it up on the side, and then you put something over the top of it that animal's not going to step on to begin with, and then you don't have to worry about it.
Take your gloves off when you're handling the bait.
Ooh, the good stuff.
Yeah, this stuff is obnoxious.
Yeah, I wish these things came with smell-o-vision.
Yeah. Horrible. Yeah. All right. I think I'm gonna canine putting this on. See how open that is, that trap pattern? It's too open, I gotta crowd it down a little bit.
There's gonna be dancing dog here.
Oh yeah. Crowd it down just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
That'll do it.
Those are ready. Flies are already in that hole, so that's good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
If you guys that don't know, Paul, he makes all of his own baits and lures too. You can find it on MontanaWolfTrapper.com. I think I've had that link in a couple of my videos. But all the stuff you see us putting on the ground, it's all homemade stuff. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll catch you later. We got caught up in the whole hurry up and go thing, and we almost forgot to.
Yeah, we didn't mark it on the Onyx. Mark both traps.
Okay.
Now we're good to go.
Now the information goes in the book, and we're out of here.
2 years ago, I think it was. I was here trapping. So this is 30?
Be 29.
Okay.
Nice ground.
Oh yeah. spot. If you could, give me some sand. Oh, nice. I used all my squeakers. Son of a bitch. That's big.
Here we are at one of Paul's not so great locations. We got a road there, a road there, a road there, and a road there. And Paul's over here putting some zets in. We pulled up here, he asked me what I thought, and I thought this location was stupid. That was a total waste of time. But no good. It's no good, but we got extra traps, so what the hell.
Yeah, I'm just setting it for numbers, just to say I got so many traps out. Fillers.
These are filler locations.
Yeah.
And Mama, we're not making memories.
Yeah, fuck that.